Hi there. I've been getting a lot of questions about what actions do I use. The actions that I use every single day are by LSP. Lauren, who runs LSP Actions, is amazing. And you can go to lsp-actions.com. You can see at the top when she has sales that are going on, and right now she has 30% off. People always want to know, but which ones do I use specifically? So I'm just going to go over them really quick. So understand that I cull in Lightroom and edit in Photoshop. The signature newborn Photoshop actions is what I use for newborns. I love it and I use it every single day. So I'm going to show you the must-have items. She has a lot of actions. So if you're looking for newborn editing, this is the one. Okay. Now, if we go down, there's a couple others that I want to point out. If you do high key or backlighting, this high key blast is great. It's really good for making sure your whites are white. Okay. It's not a must have, but if I had to say a must have, the must have if you're doing newborns is signature newborn. Then the second one that I think is really good is the high key photo blast, get good whites, or this one. These are both really good ones. Okay. Color changing, I think that's invaluable because if you want to color change something, this action does it for you in seconds. It's really, really, really good. So I use that one a lot. Okay. If you're having trouble with focusing, the smart one is really good as well. It'll give you nice, sharp images. Gosh, I really love them all. But another one is background blur. So if you're shooting outside, and you want to get that bokeh and you're not getting it with your lens, background blur would be it. Now, I want to come over here to digital background, okay? She has this digital background composite kit that helps you when you're putting images in digital backgrounds. But there's another one that I like even better, and I'm going to go find it. I think it's overlays. Nope, that's not it. So let me find, no. Okay, so I'm going to find the texture one. So if we do shop, overlays and textures. Here we go. There it is. Okay, this Camden texture pack is my favorite. Okay, I love that one. Now, she has this floral textures and overlays. And so she has vintage, secret garden. She has a bunch of them here. So I'm just going to kind of go down and just look at all these and make sure I'm talking about the right one. Okay, so floral texture overlays. So if you go into here, you can see how she shows you how to add your own overlays. Okay, now because I'm teaching this AI course, I thought, I wonder if I can use this action, not just with Lauren's florals, but mine as well. And I can. So that's what's cool about it, is in my AI course that a lot of people are in. And if you're not in it, you just go to Brandt education.com and scroll down and go to my AI course. Now, in my AI course, we teach you week by week. There's 9 weeks of videos where we go over how to use AI. But there's also over 400 of my own digitals that I've downloaded from my own account, okay? And so this is where a lot of people get confused because they're like, I don't understand. So each week there's a tutorial video of how to do the editing or what AI prompt we're doing. And then when you scroll down and you go to downloads, when you join the AI, we show you how to get your own images. We show you how to get the fabrics and the overlays and the balloons. We show you the prompts and how to do all this. But because I love my library, you may want to go, oh, I want some of Anna's images. So I've included them, and we have over 400 now, and we're going to be adding more. You can take these florals, use Lauren's LSP action, and when it says choose Your floral, you just choose the one that you've saved from my library. Now, people are asking how to make these high res. We do have links to videos that other students have done and that we found resources of how to upsize these and make these high res. But going back to LSP, this is a phenomenal action to help you with your AI. Okay, so I hope that helps. I love a lot of her actions. I mean, I have all of them. Fabric, also another good one. Also, you can marry it with AI, finding your own fabrics. The shadow is amazing. I love this one. Boho dust brushes. This is great for the summer. I've used this little map before. I mean, she has really, really good ones. So you should definitely check out lspactions.com, and hopefully this helps someone try to figure out which one do I get. I think eventually you just need them all. She also does have some of her own digital backgrounds in here with real chicks that she photographs. I think she's just absolutely brilliant and she's worth checking out. So check out LSP-actions.com.